Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Today I will present about my research with title Predictive Modelling for Student Academic Performance in Sultan Idris Education University based on respective locality during COVID-19 using support vector machine. Those are my research mates. They are Nurul Aliana Suhammad Yunus, Shazlin Miliana Zaharuddin, Nurul Ainina Filza Sulaiman, Murugan Raju, and Nurhanani Romli. As an introduction, the government of Malaysia had enforced a movement control order MCO starting on 18 March 2020 to break the chain of COVID-19. MCO had also affected educational by illegal for educational institutions to engage in physical teaching and learning activities. In response to the government request, Sultan Idris Education University USIM took the initiative and developed entirely online teaching and learning activities. Patricia 2020 said that online learning has affected the student in many ways such as decreased self-motivation, unorganized study time, unconducive learning environments, perplexity among family members, and various technical problems that lead to online learning overload. As a result of the challenge of online learning, students have tried to maintain their academic performance, which can have a negative impact on their future. Aim of this study is to investigate student academic performance expectation depending on their various localities during the pandemic to forecast their academic success for the following semester. Methodology for this study. First step is collect data, which is the data set from the questionnaire. Second, find the pattern of student academic performance based on their respective locality, which is urban, suburban, and rural. Step 3 is develop the classification model and determine the accuracy model using SVM. And lastly, develop the scatter plot based on the model result and identify the predictive value. For the result, Table 1 shows the accuracy of the data. Accuracy in this research is a study feature that indicates how closely sample parameters correspond to the population characteristic. So in this research, the accuracy of the data is approximately 81%. The analysis in R use parameter of course is 1, gamma is 1, and absolute is 0.05. Figure 1 shows the scatter plot of the location and CGPA. Based on Figure 1, location 1 represent for the urban, 2 for the suburban, and 3 for the rural. For the y-axis, which is CGPA value, so 1 is represent for the CGPA value from 2.01 until 2.5. 2 is from the 2.51 until 3, and 3 for the 3.01 until 3.5, and 4 is the CGPA value from the 3.51 until 4. The pattern of the scatter plot is nonlinear. When the graph is nonlinear, it means that it does not correlate. The two variables involved, which are location and CGPA, have no relationship with each other. Then, Figure 2 shows the scatter plot of the best fit of location against CGPA line. Based on Figure 2, the prediction line is between category 3 and 4, which is in between 3.01 until 4. The prediction line approach to 4, which means that the upcoming CGPA of the student is about 3.51 until 4. Statistical tools are used to help students improve their academic performance by predicting their academic result and providing the appropriate assistance. Most students and instructors believe that student academic performance is influenced by their location. Based on the finding of this study, it was discovered that there was no relationship between location and CGPA, proving that the location difference have no effect on each student's CGPA. A support vector machine was used in this work to forecast academic achievement based on their CGPA during the MCO. Student CGPA were compared based on their current location, which include rural, urban, and suburban. It may be concluded that online learning has no impact on student academic performance because the majority of them gain from it to the extent that it enhances their academic performance. In conclusion, the support vector machine can be used as a generic tool for predicting student academic performance. That's all from me. Thank you.